Hey you. Taste. Now off.
Hi, I'm Prince, and on today's episode of Cooking for Celebrity, we'll be cooking for a personal favorite of mine. You might have seen him on TV or in cooking videos on YouTube. And more than his cooking, he's famous for something else. Did you guess it right? It's Gordon Ramsay. But first, to cook for Gordon Ramsay, I need to get into character.
Start the camera, you f***ing donkey.
So the dish I'm gonna cook for Gordon Ramsay is a shepherd's pie, which is apparently one of his favorite dinners. But I'm gonna make this with a twist. So a shepherd's pie is a traditional British dish which has lamb filling on the bottom and then mashed potato on top with some cheese and then it's baked. So instead of the lamb filling, we're gonna make a chicken tikka masala. That is my twist to this dish. So for the potato part, I'm making some mashed potatoes. So here are some potatoes that I've already boiled and mashed, and then some butter. Okay, so once the butter is melted completely,
The accent British accent.
I'm the Indian Gordon Ramsay, okay? Okay, so the butter is melted, I'm adding the milk in now. Some cream. Okay, so that is done, all mixed up. So I'm gonna add this to mashed potatoes over here. So a chef's hack for getting perfect soft mashed potatoes. Don't just mash it using a masher, use a sieve and pass it through it. Hey you! Out of my kitchen! Okay, next, some cheese into the mashed potatoes. Lots of cheese. Next, here's a trick that on a serious note, here's something that I learned from Gordon Ramsay. So to make your potatoes silky smooth and rich once it's baked, you need to crack an egg and use the egg yolk in your potatoes. So when I was in school and first started cooking, Gordon Ramsay was my teacher for most British and continental dishes. So I actually do admire him a lot, and he's one of my favorite chefs. Perhaps he's probably the most famous chef in the world right now. Hey you! Taste. Now off. The star ingredient, the butter. So here's a surprising fact for some of you probably. So one of the reasons why I chose this dish is Gordon Ramsay said before that shepherd's pie is one of his favorite dinners. And here's a fun fact for you. Chicken tikka masala is actually considered the national dish of UK. Why is it so hot in here? Turn on the AC. So the onions are nice and golden brown. So we'll add some ginger garlic paste and all the spices. So the traditional shepherd's pie uses lamb filling, but I'm using chicken instead. So this is chicken boneless thighs. Some salt and some sugar to balance it out. That's delicious. Do you want to taste? No? You taste? You? Cowards. Okay, so now the chicken is done and it looks delicious. Now let's add the cream. This is how the British made their own curry, very different from Indian. They add a lot of cream. So that is all done now. There's some fresh coriander on top and out. Into a baking pan, the chicken. So that's done and ready to go in the oven. So I think I covered most of Gordon Ramsay's character moves, but there's one thing I wanted to do but I wasn't able to do, and that is... Okay, so to accompany my dish, I'm making a tandoori sprinkle masala. So first I'm roasting some kasuri methi. Hey you! Why are you walking around like an idiot? Come here. You know what this is? This is an idiot sandwich. Now off. I don't know how Gordon handles all these people in his kitchen. Okay, now this is perfectly roasted. And how do you know it's roasted? You crush it with the fingers and it turns into powder. So for tandoori masala, I'm using the kasuri methi, chaat masala, chili powder, black salt and garam masala. So blend this into fine powder and that's it. That looks beautiful. So this is what I would cook for Gordon Ramsay. A shepherd's pie with a twist. Tell me which other celebrity I should cook for next. And don't worry, you don't have to see my bad acting in every video. On a serious note, all the swearing was just for fun. I don't usually swear like this. So if you do like the video, comment, share and hit the bell icon. Hey, off